Hello everyone and welcome in Source Code Planet. This is the second episode of making pixel art web app. Now each time the user clicks on a cell, its color should be changed to black. So we need to check if the user is actually clicking on a cell and not something else. Now we need to do the same to erase. So the left click for painting and the right for erasing. So we check what button the user is actually clicking. See that context menu? We should get rid of it. So let's stop the default behavior of the right button. Okay, paint and erase. It's working well. I think we need more colors than just black. Add the label color. And an input element with type color. Get its DOM object. And replace the static black color by the value of the color element. Nice, too many colors to choose from. Let's write the word pixels using some of those colors. Looks nice. But you may notice that drawing that word wasn't easy, because we had to click on cells tens of times. We need some drag to draw behavior, so a boolean variable to store whether the user is in dragging state or not. So the time between pressing the button and releasing it, the user is in the dragging state. And with each mouse move, we keep drawing unless the user releases the button. I wrote window here instead of table because the user can release the button outside the table, and that would make a bug. Easy now, huh? Just drag and draw. Okay, that's it for this episode. See you in the next one.